Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit and just relax. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in with love and exhale. Another deep breath in with joy and gratitude and release. Breathe in peace and calm and let go all the thoughts that don't serve you at this point. Now repeat these affirmations either in your mind or out loud. I am smart. I am smart. I am more intelligent than I realize. I am more intelligent than I realize. I am a genius with an abundance of creative ideas. I am a genius with an abundance of creative ideas. I am a magnificent person. I am a magnificent person. I am lovable. I am lovable. I love and approve of myself. I love and approve of myself. I'm in the right place at the right time. I'm in the right place at the right time. I deserve all that is good. I deserve all that is good. I create a loving, supportive world for myself. I create a loving, supporting world for myself. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm worthy of love and respect. I'm worthy of love and respect. I'm enough exactly as I am. I'm enough exactly as I am. I'm proud of who I am becoming. I'm proud of who I am becoming. I'm deserving of happiness and peace. I'm deserving of happiness and peace. I'm confident in my uniqueness. I am confident in my uniqueness. I'm growing and evolving every day. I'm growing and evolving every day. I'm kind to myself in all situations. I'm kind to myself in all situations. I'm strong, resilient, and capable. I'm strong, resilient, and capable. I'm beautiful inside and out. I'm beautiful inside and out. I'm aligned with my highest self. I'm aligned with my highest self. I'm at peace with my past. I'm at peace with my past. I am safe to be my authentic self. I am safe to be my authentic self. I am valuable and important. I'm worthy of perfect health and loving relationships. I'm worthy of perfect health and loving relationships. I'm in control of my thoughts and emotions. I'm in control of my thoughts and emotions. I'm grateful for who I am. I'm grateful for who I am. I'm becoming more confident each day. I'm becoming more confident each day. I'm filled with self-respect and self-trust. I'm filled with self-respect and self-trust. I am enough. I am enough. I'm worthy of deep love. I'm worthy of deep love. I'm confident in who I am. I'm confident in who I am. I'm strong and resilient. I'm strong and resilient. I am proud of my growth. I am proud of my growth. I'm choosing myself every day. I'm choosing myself every day. I'm deserving of peace. I'm deserving of peace. I am aligned with my highest good. I am aligned with my highest good. I am powerful beyond measure. I am powerful beyond measure. I am love. I am love. I am worthy without proving myself. I am worthy without proving myself. I am becoming my best self every day. I am becoming my best self every day. I am confident in my voice and my truth. I am confident in my voice and my truth. I am deserving of respect and kindness. I am deserving of respect and kindness. I am in control of my happiness. I am in control of my happiness. I am glowing with self-love. I am glowing with self-love. I am stronger than my doubts. I am stronger than my doubts. I am aligned with abundance and joy. I am aligned with abundance and joy. I am at peace with who I am. I am at peace with who I am. I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. I am confident in every room I enter. I am confident in every room I enter. I am the standard. I am the standard. I am fearless in chasing what I deserve. I am fearless in chasing what I deserve. I am unshakable in my self-worth. I am unshakable in my self-worth. I am magnetic and unstoppable. I am magnetic and unstoppable. I am in control of my life. I am in control of my life. I am built for greatness. I am built for greatness. I am that energy. I am that energy. I'm confident in who I am. I'm confident in who I am. I am secure in my abilities. I am secure in my abilities. I'm capable of achieving anything I commit to. I'm capable of achieving anything I commit to. I'm comfortable being seen and heard. I am comfortable being seen and heard. I am proud of my strength and my growth. I am proud of my strength and my growth. I'm resilient in the face of challenges. I am resilient in the face of challenges. I am deserving of success. I am deserving of success. I am clear, focused, and self-assured. I am clear, focused, and self-assured. I'm walking in confidence every day. I'm walking in confidence every day. I'm becoming more powerful with every step I take. I'm becoming more powerful with every step I take. I'm worthy of wealth and financial success. I'm worthy of wealth and financial success. I'm attracting money with ease. I'm attracting money with ease. I'm aligned with abundance. I'm aligned with abundance. I'm financially confident and capable. I am financially confident and capable. I'm open to receiving unlimited prosperity. I'm open to receiving unlimited prosperity. I'm making smart and empowered money decisions. I'm making smart and empowered money decisions. I am building lasting wealth. I am building lasting wealth. I'm grateful for the money flowing into my life. I'm grateful for the money flowing into my life. I'm a magnet for opportunities and income. I'm a magnet for opportunities and income. I'm at peace with who I am becoming. I'm at peace with who I am becoming. I'm worthy of deep, unconditional love. I'm worthy of deep, unconditional love. I'm choosing happiness in this moment. I'm choosing happiness in this moment. I am enough exactly as I am. I am enough exactly as I am. I am calm, grounded, and centered. I am calm, grounded, and centered. I am deserving of respect and kindness. I am deserving of respect and kindness. I am grateful for the life I am creating. I am grateful for the life I am creating. I'm releasing comparison and embracing my uniqueness. I'm releasing comparison and embracing my uniqueness. I'm loving myself more every day. I'm loving myself more every day. I am whole and complete within myself. I am whole and complete within myself. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am loved. I am loved. I am safe. I am safe. I am honoring myself and others. I am honoring myself and others. I am confident. I am confident. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am magnificent. I am magnificent. I am creating the life of my dreams. I am creating the life of my dreams. I am aligned with my inner power. I am aligned with my inner power. I am wellness. I am wellness. I am abundance. I am abundance. I am appreciative of all that I have. I am appreciative of all that I have. I am happy. I am happy. I am healthy. I